In today's video, I will teach you how to merge layers together in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click on File and select Open to load the project with the layers that you want to merge. In the Layers panel, hold down the Control or Command key and click on each layer that you want to merge. This allows you to select multiple layers. Alternatively, if you want to merge all visible layers, you can skip this step. Here's how to merge selected layers. With the desired layer selected, right-click on any of the selected layers and choose Merge Layers from the context menu. Alternatively, you can go to Layer in the top menu and select Merge Layers. If you only want to merge the selected layer with the layer directly below it, right-click on the layer, then choose Merge Down. Or you can also go to Layer in the top menu and select Merge Down. And to merge all visible layers into a single layer, go to Layer in the top menu and select Merge Visible. This will combine all layers that are currently visible while hiding any layers that are not visible. After merging, the layers will be combined into a single layer, and you can see the result in the Layers panel, where the merged layers are now represented as a single layer. And once you've finished merging layers and are satisfied with the result, you can now save your project. To do this, go to File, Export As, then choose the desired file format like JPEG or PNG to download the final image. And to keep your project editable with layers, you can go to File, then Save as PSD to save it in Photopea's native file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.